How to use your LLC to get a car. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. But before that, the question is, can you really use your LLC to buy a car? So, yes, you can. And if done right, it can come with some huge tax benefits and personal liability protection. So, whether you run a delivery business, film wedding videos, transport clients, or drive for Uber or Amazon Flex, putting a vehicle under your LLC can save you money and legitimize your operation. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get a car under your LLC, how business auto financing works, and how Busy helps you build the proper foundation to do it right. Click the link in the description to form or manage your LLC with Busy. They help you get your business set up fast and they include your EIN and compliance tools so you're ready to finance a car. But why use your LLC to get a car? So here's why it makes sense. First, for liability protection. The car is owned by your business, not you. For tax deductions, lease payments, insurance, gas, repairs, all potentially deductible. Credit separation, build business credit separate from your personal score. Professional image, which looks more legit when dealing with clients or vendors, but it only works if your LLC is properly structured, and that's where Busy comes in. Now, if you wish to buy or lease a car under your LLC, you gotta simply click the link in the description and you'll be redirected to Busy. First of all, you gotta set up your LLC. So choose your state and enter your business name and industry. Give it a name followed by LLC. Busy offers you a free registered agent for the first year, so you can select whether you want Busy to act as your registered agent. But if you would like to be your own registered agent, then you'll have an option for that too. Employer identification number is very important, so you'll have an option to select whether you want Busy to obtain your employer identification number from IRS, or if you already have that, then you can skip this step. After you have done that, open a business bank account. So this is where you'll make down payments or lease payments, so keep it separate from your personal money. And then you're going to apply for net 30 accounts, gas cards, or a business credit card. Some auto dealers and lenders will check business credits only if you've established a Dun and Bradstreet number and positive trade lines. After that, you get to choose a financing option. You can either buy the car in the name of LLC, lease it under your company for better tax write-offs, and you can submit the application with your LLC name, EIN, and business address. Some lenders may still ask for a personal guarantee, but others will finance based on revenue or time in business. So I recommend Busy for its free LLC formation with EIN that is needed for buying a car, and also it offers operating agreement, and some lenders do ask for this. If you're serious about using your LLC to buy a car, Busy gives you everything you need to get started. So if you wish to buy or lease your next vehicle under your LLC, click the link in the description to form or manage your LLC with Busy and make your business purchase offshore. That's it for today's guide. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.